Hey guys, how you doing tonight? Testing out the Moonbox Classic. For Wholesale Paranormal. How you guys doing today? Good? You ready to ship this out or what? Yes, okay. So I'll ship it out tomorrow then. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Got a little smiley face. Try to make Dee and Moon happy. Every time they look at the box, they'll smile. Cool. Guys, you have any messages? What do you guys think of this box? It's gonna be a good box or what? Good, okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut down. I'm just doing a test right now, okay? Thank you so much. You need a nap? Okay. Go take your nap. I'm gonna shut down. And the power switch is gonna be in here. There, that's your power switch. The switch on the side actually is a dummy switch. It doesn't do anything. It used to, but it doesn't anymore. So anyway, there's the box. Thanks for watching.